What's up, guys? I'm gonna try and do this, show y'all how I do a spark plug, billet spark plug. Just cut your own. I don't know how well this video will come out, but I'll try. Okay, I always lay it on here and then I mark, make sure it's sitting where I want it, and I mark it just below that cap, and then about 3/4 of the way past the cap. Alright, so we got that cut, or that marked. So here we have our marked spark plug wire. I don't know how well you can see that, but cut a little fat. I'll take my razor knife. That's why I try not to video, because, well, by myself. Yeah, bend that back over, loosen it up. Okay, now we'll go to the bench over here. Hold on. Okay, so I got this little MSD, let's see if I can get this on the camera, MSD crimper, vice crimper. I don't know if I like it or not, but it works. So, but I'm taking the wire, I lay it in here, push it right up, like that, and you want to face this out of that crimper block. Sometimes it's a little hard to get in there. Something like that. Okay. Pick your other piece. The other piece slides in there. I say it slides in there. Okay. So you got something looks like that. Nothing. Okay, so we ever viced it up in, just FYI, this is the worst vice I ever bought, but it works. It's a Harbor Freight one. It was like 20 bucks. Anyway, put that in there, tighten her down. And since this one doesn't have a real long thing, I use a wrench, get some more torque on it. And it's gonna pop and crack again, just settling in there. I'm scared this thing's gonna blow up with it popping and cracking like that. It's just plastic. I probably should have went ahead and bought myself a decent crimper for doing this. But usually I just use a pair of side cutters, crimp them in. That works, but it'll have its issues. Put it that way. You can do it that way, is what I'm saying, but it's not the best practice. Okay, so now pop this apart. We got a nice little crimp
Watch out.
Okay, so now we have our crimped in. And is that the right one? No. I guess it really doesn't matter. Boot night. I usually like to use WD-40, but I couldn't find mine today. But I squirt just a little bit in there. Just a little bit. Don't want a whole lot. Just anything to lubricate it. Because that hole is awfully small for that big ass wire. Just slide it on there. See, it sits. I don't know how well you can see it. It might be kind of dark, but it sits just dead in there in the top. And then you can put your wire on. And you have a custom length wire for your car. So yeah, guys, that's how I make wires for my car. I used to use a pair of side cutters. It works, but it's got its own issues. I kind of like that. It's breaking though, so it's kind of cheap. So hopefully here soon, Mighty Mouse will fire up and be ready to go. So later, guys, I'll get a video of this thing running today after I get this done, and I just gotta wire up after I get the spark plug wires done, I just gotta finish wiring the MSD, and it should go from. Alright guys, later.